In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and access MATLAB software on your laptop. The process is very simple and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along easily. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for MATLAB online. Once the page loads, look for the 9-dot menu icon on the top right corner and select MATLAB from the options available. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in to your MATLAB account. If you already have one, you can log in using your registered email and password. But if you're a new user, don't worry, you'll have the option to create a brand new account in just a few minutes. After signing in, you'll see a button that says Try 1 month free. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. From here, you're given two ways to use MATLAB. If you want the full desktop experience, choose Install on your computer. This will allow you to download the software and run it directly on your laptop anytime, even without internet access. On the other hand, if you'd like to access it more quickly without installing anything, you can simply choose Open in Online, which lets you use MATLAB directly through your web browser in the cloud. For those who prefer a local installation, just select Download for Windows or your operating system, and the setup file will begin downloading. You can then run the installer and complete the process to have MATLAB fully installed on your laptop. However, in this video, I'll go with the faster option and click Open MATLAB Online, which allows me to start working right away without needing to download or install anything. And that's it. Now you know how to either install MATLAB on your laptop or access it directly online, depending on your preference. Thank you for watching this video.